It is the only interface between humans and machines, and thus the only way to communicate quality from the overall system to the user. A good panel is one that gives the user the freedom and capabilities that he needs to implement the application as he wants to. The high level of usability we are all used to from our daily use of smartphones is clearly the benchmark for what we expect to see in industry. Our new unified comfort panels have capacitive glass fronts with multi-touch technology, excellent colors, and a high level of contrast, which make the displays highly readable. And in addition to that, they are extremely powerful. The development teams have, of course, been working on finding out for quite some time now what is the next logical step in the evolution of our panels. But above all, they asked, what is a revolution? And that is exactly what we are now doing by making it possible to install apps alongside our own runtime. Where we are taking an entirely new approach is that we are moving away from pixel-based graphics and toward completely vector-based visualization. This also means that scaling is much easier. The new devices range from 7 inches up to 22 inches with full HD resolution. Since the launch of the TIA portal, usability has been extremely important to us in engineering. In many cases, the user who is sitting there and programming has a specific idea in mind of how he wants to realize something, because he knows that it is the best solution for his users. So, we want to give him the freedom to do just that.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.